Alright, well, in today's video, I was editing the other video from yesterday when we got the car, like when we got the motor back in and everything. We fired it up, and I realized that I did not tighten down, I didn't torque down the camshaft bolt. It's tight, but it's not torqued, and it gets torqued to a lot, so yeah, I have to jack the car back up, put it on jack stands in the front, disconnect the back of this, just take off one side of the tire. I just need to pull off the passenger side tire, drop it down a little bit, pull the freaking, what the fuck is that thing? The harmonic balancer. Gotta pull the harmonic balancer, pull the serpentine belt, and, and then pull off the timing cover again. Fucking spill coolant everywhere, so hopefully I can try and avoid spilling it hardcore. Maybe I'll pull that drain. There's a drain bolt on the timing cover, and you pull it out, all the coolant comes out. I'll probably just pull that now, see if I can catch any of it, so I can try and reuse it. If not, I mean, I don't think I'm going to be really starting it today anyhow, so, because I need to wait until I get my wideband, so I'm not running rich and shit. So, and then after that, this shouldn't take that long. And then after that, I have my indicator lights that I wired up last night during the live stream, and yeah. So yeah, let's get started here. Alright, well, it's all back together. It's not bad. It only took about an hour. So, the fucking crank bolt was giving me issues, but it's all back together, back on the ground. The only thing I gotta do is I gotta get more coolant, but because I have this giant fucking bolt that's like up to here, I'm actually gonna go to Home Depot and get a shorter bolt, so that way I can put like a rubber O-ring at the top, and yeah. Since I pretty much only need about the thickness of this fucking bolt, so I pretty much just need like just a tip, and then I just need a bolt. So, but yeah, it's back together. I'm glad I saw that when I was editing. Pretty much took all that apart for like a quarter turn, so I definitely did forget to do it. So, luckily I got safe, or I got lucky, and nothing got fucked again. Man. So, just my luck, but luckily nothing got damaged in it, so we're good to go. So, next we're going to come in here, and we're going to try and tackle this. As you saw in the last episode, these pretty much all got fried, so I'm going to have to redo it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually run them up into there and into the panel, so it means I got to pull the dash just to make it easier to gain access to everything. Pull the dash, and then pull off the relay panel so I have access to the back of it. So, and then I'm also thinking about cutting a hole like right here, and then weld a nut to the back side, like a bolt or something to the back side, and pretty much just weld the bolt so that way it's coming out this way. And then I would have some wing nuts. Put a wing nut over here, here, and here, and here, you know. 4 wing nuts. So that could be pretty cool. So that way I can take off that, and then I have access to the fuse panel back there. So that would be neato bandito. I wonder what the things that I have no fuses to do. So, all right, let's get to getting. All right, correction. We're gonna clean the fuck out of the shed because it's a disaster right now. Or yeah, the garage, not the shed, but it's basically a shed. So let's do this. Alright, I know we were going to pull a dash in the next scene, but we actually ran to Home Depot and got some pizza or Domino's, so, and then I made this contraption. I went from having this giant fucking bolt and then down to this, and this one, so this one has like a rubber washer at the top, and then just normal washer, and then the top, so, and it's cut shorter, so that way it'll sit flush right to that and it'll seal it. So I'll put some Teflon tape on this and then tighten it down and it's done. I just filled the coolant, so let's do that. And then we'll finally pull the dash. Alright, so I got those on, and they're wired, loomed up. Gonna come back out here, and then we'll hook up all the grounds. The grounds will get hooked up to all of my grounds, to the respective things that correspond with the switch. And then all the powers will get wired to pins 86 and 87 off of the relays, or into the relays, whichever. And yeah, I tested that. It worked. It didn't make a fire. I'm pretty sure the reason why the other one caught on fire is if you look really closely, you can see that those wires are soldered together. So, China screwed me. So, but yeah, so hopefully this one will work. So let's get this in. Alright, so here we are. I've got it all loomed up. I ended up looming the switches and the indicators. But yeah, I'll put it on the dash and then I'll show you. It's working. It's freaking awesome. Something about when you flip a switch and all it turns on is satisfying. So yeah, let's get the dash back in and get the switch panel mounted on, and yeah, we're done. Alright guys, so here's where we're sitting. We got ignition, high beams, and then we have fan, and then we have just an accessory, nothing on it yet. So it's weird when you shut them off, it like back feeds of some sort. So but that's not a big deal. And this one's starter. Well, can't do that obviously now. So, but yeah, there it is. It's done. That's it for this one, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.